What's up guys, it's Coding with ArsenTech, and today I will show you how to make a country guide application using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and by using REST Countries API. Are you looking for the source code of advanced and challenging coding tutorials? Join my Patreon page and unlock access to source codes for complex projects and coding tutorials. It is a great way to support the channel and level up your coding skills. Head over to my Patreon page and start exploring some source codes of complex projects today. Link is in description. So, without any further ado, let's get started! Let's start coding the country guide in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Inside the index.html file, we will create a container. Inside of that, we will create an h1 with a text country guide. Then we will create a form. Inside of that form, we will add an input element and a button. And then we will add an error text. And then we will add a country details element. Inside of that, we will add the country name as an h2 element and a grid. Inside of that grid, we will put a sample flag as an image source. Then we will create a list. Inside of that list, we will add it a capital area, population, population density, currency, languages, and continent. Here is what the structure will look like. Let's add a CSS to make everything better and perfect. We will make everything to center and add a background image. Then we will style the container and the form also. And then let's style the input and button. Here is the input style and here is the button style. Here is what the search box will look like. Up next, we will add a country details, everything center and a space between 10 pixels, but on active class it is display flex. We will show the active class if I search a country and get an information about it. Then we will make a country details grid, a 2x2 grid, and then we will add a flag, a border radius, and inside of that we will make everything center but vertically. Then we will add an error text after adding a style of this grid list. Here is what the initial user interface will look like. And don't forget to add a responsive design. Here is what the user interface will look like. This is what will look like on desktop. And here is what will look like on mobile devices. Okay, if I search a country, for example USA, it doesn't work. Let's add some JavaScript. Inside of that script tag, we will create a country input, which we will get a country input element by ID country input, which is a text input. Then we will add the search box, country details element, country name, capital text, area text, population text, density text, currency text, languages text, and continents text, and also a flag image. And we will link those elements by using document get element by ID, and also let's link an error text through get element by ID. After that, we will create an asynchronous function called getCountry, which accepts country name as a parameter. After that, we will fetch the country name from REST Countries API and we will search a country name. Then we will get a JSON data. Let's search a country, for example, in this array, for example, USA. It returns an array. We will find the element and check if the common name is equal to a country name. Otherwise, return the first element. onSubmit element, which is an asynchronous function. We will prevent the form to actually submitting it and check if country input value is empty. If yes, then display an error message saying it is required to enter a country name to search. Otherwise, we will set the error message to none, and we are using try catch because sometimes if I search a country, for example like this, it returns a message not found. So that is why I'm using try catch. We will get a country from a country input value, and then we will extract the values from the country such as name, capital, area, population, currencies, languages, continents, flags, and we will make a constant concurrency. Currencies is an object. In this example, currencies is an object. We will convert the object to the array from values, not the keys, and we will return the first element. We will set the country name, we will set the capital, we will set the area population, and we will set the population density. By the way, the population density formula is equal to population divided by area. And then we will get a currency information, currency name, and currency symbol. Then we will set the languages. And then we will get the continent information, and then we will set the flag and check. If country details element is not active, then make sure to make it active. On the catch block, we will set the error message to country not found. And that's it. Let's test it. It actually works. Okay, let's search USA. Okay, let's search Greenland. Here, Greenland's population density is 0 people per square kilometers. Let's fix it. On here, we don't use %. We will use this to fixed 2. Let's type Greenland again. It actually works. The country guide application works, and here is the mobile version of it. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share this video and comment, and don't forget to join my Patreon page. Have a nice day.